Look at this 2018 Ford Escape that was just traded here at Brighton Ford. Perfect commuter vehicle for all seasons with intelligent 4x4. Well maintained and fully inspected by our factory-trained technicians. Apple CarPlay, panoramic moonroof, leather heated seats, and more. This vehicle will not last long. Call us at 1-800-NEW for today !and LT, br&gt and LT, br&gt, 4wd.and LT, br&gt, CARFAX One-Owner. Clean CARFAX. Magnetic Metallic 2019 Ford Escape SEL 4WD 6-speed automatic 1.5 liters EcoBoost&lt, br&gt and LT, br&gt and LT, br&gt. Brighton Ford used cars are priced well below the market value. Have confidence in knowing you in number 39, getting the best deal within 200 miles of our location. Our vehicles are competitively priced well below the market value to give you a no-haggle buying experience. Although we do not certify our used cars, we do have the ability to do so. Brighton Ford is conveniently located off of Grand River Road in Brighton, Michigan. Brighton Ford is near the intersection of I-96 and US 23 in Brighton, Michigan. We have the largest selection of used trucks, used cars and used SUVs with over 200 pre-owned vehicles in stock. Brighton Ford serves all nearby cities including South Lyon, Howell, Fenton, New Hudson, Novi, Arbor, Whitmore Lake, Lansing, Detroit, Toledo, and Flint.